Today we're going to be talking about how to change the hood latch release on an 02 Honda Civic, although I think it's the whole 01, so like 03. So she looks like this, and your little tab to open the hood is not working. Let's talk about how to resolve that quickly and easily. So first of all, we want to go for the problem area. So it's going to be right over on the driver's side. And if you're looking at something like this, maybe you have to use pliers to get it open and you don't want to. Very easy. First of all, we want to pry off this piece of trim, which you could just slip a few fingers on. Now this is our hood latch release. What we're going to want to do is just take off these two bolts so we have more easy access at it. And then we're going to take and attach a new handle on here, and we'll show you what that looks like. So the new handle, it looks something like this. The old ones, the original ones, they're made out of plastic and they do tend to fray right here. This is I think it's billet to be honest, but it's metal either way. And you just have a little tensioning screw on the side of it. So we just want to get enough of the cable strip that we can put this on, and we tighten it on. So let's get to it. And 10 mil. One bolt, two bolt, okay, now that is just free and loose, we can work with it a little easier. We don't want to take off too much of this. We just want to take enough that we can screw on our new connection. Let's see which one of my multi-tools will be best for this. God, that thing's a little medieval. What do you, oh, you guys are scissors. Yeah, and medieval it is. Okay. And the kit. Get a little Allen wrench. So you pop that off. Then we put him back on. Tighten him down a bit. And now we just want to reinstall. Okay, just going to lightly tighten it in. And then afterwards, feed on the bottom guide. And get both in, just tighten them down. And going to just get this guy nice and centered. Okay, just hold the hood open. Okay, the last thing, we just want to reapply our trimming. Boom, pops in, and now we have him sticking out right here. Very easy to get to. Boom. And then in. Alright. If you need to do your hood latch release on an old Honda Civic, nothing hard about it. A few basic tools. I think next we're also going to do the hood latch underneath the hood. Very commonly, some of them, I had this on my Ford, I had a Civic like this myself at one point, they just get rusted. Over time, grime gets in there and they don't lock as well. So stay tuned if in case you need to get that done. That video will be coming out shortly.